Hi, my name is Manny and welcome to Adulting 101. It's that time of year. College students everywhere are cramming for final exams, writing term papers, and getting ready for what's usually the stressful and exciting final days of the semester. For those who will graduate this year, it's time to think about what's next. Whether that means starting a postgraduate program or joining the workforce, there is a lot to think about. So today we're going to run through Young Invincibles' graduation checklist. Let's start with money. Most students take out loans to afford the cost of college, and graduation means it's time to think about paying back those loans. If you have questions, this is a great time to get advice from your financial aid office before you leave campus. But here's our quick list of what you need to know. First, when repayment starts, most federal loans have a grace period of 6 months, so if you graduate May, you should expect to begin repaying in November. Next, find out who your loan servicers are and set up an online account. Remember, look into all your options to make sure you approach repayment in a way that makes the most sense for you. That might mean loan consolidation, income-based repayment, or signing up for public service loan forgiveness if you plan to work for the government or for a nonprofit. Finally, when it's time, set up autopay so you never miss a payment. Next, let's talk about health insurance. College students can get health insurance in a number of different ways. Let's run through the list and see if you need to sign up for a plan. If you're on your parents' plan and under age 26, you're all set. You can stay on that plan even though you are no longer a student. While most employer plans have national networks, if you move to a new state, you'll want to double check that you'll have in-network providers in your area. If you have Medicaid, you can likely keep it. But again, if you move to a new state, you'll need to reapply, and that state may have different eligibility rules. If you have coverage through your school, you'll likely lose that coverage after you graduate. So pro tip, to avoid any gaps in coverage, save the letter from your school administration that states your coverage end date. You can use that letter to qualify for special enrollment period to sign up for an individual plan at healthcare.gov. If you already have a marketplace plan, you should be all set. Just make sure you report any changes in your income that may impact your eligibility for premium tax credits. And again, if you move to a new state, you'll need to change plans through your new state's marketplace. Finally, if you already have a job lined up that offers health coverage, you can join your new employer's plan, but be mindful of when coverage starts to avoid any gaps. Okay, now that we have our loans and our health coverage checked off, let's talk about landing that dream job. If you haven't lined up a full-time gig after graduating, consider these tips from YI staff and other young people we work with. First, use the Career Center at your university. They are there to help with resumes, cover letters, and more. Next, ask for informational interviews from people in the field that you've connected with or wish to connect with. You'd be surprised how many people are willing to grab coffee and give you advice. Also, thoroughly research the company or organization you're applying to. This helps show potential employers you care about their work and can also help you ask good questions once you get a call back. Next, don't be late for the interview. Plan to arrive 10 minutes early for your interview and you should be in a good position. Lastly, send a thank you note to everyone that you've met with. This is a good sign of courtesy and it also helps get your email address into the inboxes of the decision makers. You can also use this opportunity to reaffirm your interest in the organization and share anything you forgot to mention while you met in person. That's our graduation checklist. If you want to learn more about student loan repayment, health coverage options, or see other videos like this one, check out our other Adulting 101 videos on YouTube and more at younginvincibles.org. And of course, reach out to us anytime at digital@younginvincibles.org or just drop a comment below. Until next time.